Okay, first we're going to take 2 cans of chickpeas and we're going to drain them and then rinse them with some fresh water. Okay, we're going to pour our chickpeas into the food processor. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons tahini. This is sesame seed paste. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do, we needed 4. Let's do 4 tablespoons of tahini. Sorry about that. Okay, then we're going to do 3 tablespoons of organic extra virgin olive oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do 4 tablespoons lemon juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do 1 teaspoon of salt. I like to use iodized salt to get some extra iodine in there. So 1 teaspoon salt. Then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, and then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. You can use smoked paprika or regular paprika. 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, and then we're going to do 1 teaspoon garlic powder, or you can do 1 clove of fresh garlic, whichever you prefer. Okay, now we're going to put the lid onto our food processor and we're going to pulse it until it's nice and pureed, and then we're going to add some water. Okay, I just like to open it and scrape down anything that might be stuck to the sides. Put it back on, turn it on, and then we're going to add about a 1/2 or a 1/4 cup of water. And then it'll get a little creamier. And that's it. There you go. Now we're going to take 4 Bentgo meal prep containers and we're going to place our hummus into each container. This is going to give us meal prep of hummus and veggies for 4 days. So we just go down, fill each one with a serving of hummus. Okay, now we filled all of our hummus into our 4 Bentgo containers. Next, we're going to put veggies and olives on top. Okay, so now we have some bell peppers and celery and olives. We're just going to put these into our Bentgo meal prep containers, and then we'll be done with our meal prep. This is going to last for 4 days for lunches. I like to eat this on the Daniel fast for lunch with flatbread, unleavened flatbread specifically. This is really great for taking to go as well. When you need to leave the house quickly and you need lunch, you just grab one of these out of the refrigerator and it's got your protein, vegetables, and if you have the flatbread, it's got your grains. And it's just something that you can really kind of enjoy every day without getting too sick of it. Okay, put some olives on top. And there you go. And then we'll just put our lids. And now we have 4 days of Daniel fast lunches prepared and ready to go. All right, there you go. Enjoy.